Here we have a 67 plate BMW 420D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We do have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so you can see the gloss black front splitter. Walking around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the colour coded shark fin antennae. We do have the gloss black rear spoiler on the tailgate, sitting nice and aggressive. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back with the twin pipe exhaust on the left, and there's a look at that rear end. Back round to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if you take a look then at the interior, so inside of here, if you just fold the front seat forward, you'll be able to see we do have the two seats back here, full leather seats, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points. We have the same leather seats at the front with the blue stitching. Both the front seats are heated, and there's a quick look at both of them. Now we also have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up. We do have the high beam assist on that stalk there, cruise control and speed bumper on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav, but plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. We do have the buttons down here. Click onto media and you find the radio stations along with the other options here on the left hand side. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for the audio and also for phone connectivity with phone calls. Moving further down, you'll find we have the dual zone climate control. We do have the air-cooled air conditioning and the heated seats as well on either side. As you can see, all working as they should do. Further down, you find the cup holders. We have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and switch through the different drive modes, just like so. Also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. We do have the sport displays as well, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the manual handbrake, and finally the leather armrest here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as expected to. And as you can see, I'm about to fire the steering to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to set the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We do also have the speed bumper and the cruise control buttons here on the left hand side, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we do also have the Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, which really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it will be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are very comfortable and you can easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for the cold winter mornings. We also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the main infotainment screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav. Again, plenty of features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there, we do have the dual zone climate control, which has the air-cooled air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth for going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down and then we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, so please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.